What are the different types of business organisation that you need to know in IGCSE Business in Cambridge International Exams? In 2 minutes, you're going to find out the features of sole traders, partnerships, private and public limited companies, and the benefits and limitations of each. This video is taken from the full IGCSE video tutorial on business organisation, which covers incorporation, limited liability, risk, and recommending a suitable form of business organisation, which you can check out absolutely free in the IGCSE sample course. Just click on the link below to go straight there. Oh, and if it's your first time here, push the subscribe button for weekly videos to drive you to success in Cambridge Business, IGCSE and A-Level. And as a bit of a celebration, because it's 2,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a melodic guest solo at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Types of business organisation involves a lot of content and can get confusing. So we're going to keep things simple and stick to the big concepts which are going to be applicable in all questions. You need to know the different types of business organisation, benefits, limitations of each, and decide which is most suitable in given circumstances. There's 2 types of question that you'll normally be asked. Short answer knowledge questions about features of different types of business organisation, and longer questions where you will be expected to analyse and evaluate the benefits of changing from one type of business and organisation to another. But let's start by looking at the big picture and then put in the different types of business organisation. As businesses move from sole trader to partnership to limited companies, they gain access to more capital. But with more investors, there is a loss of control, as investors want a say in how the business is run. First, let's look at sole traders. A business which is owned by one person who is responsible for all the decisions, capital invested and risk. Therefore, the sole trader has complete control over how the business is run, but is limited to their own funds or loans in order to finance the business. If they want to grow, the next form of business organisation is a partnership. A partnership is where 2 or more people join to set up a business. There is shared decision making, capital invested and risk. So the sole trader can gain from the capital investment and also share ideas and responsibility. But this will lead to less control. They will also have to share decision making with partners. If the partners start to further expand, they can consider a private limited company. This will allow further investment, usually from friends and family, but less control in how the business is run, as the new investors will also have an input into decision making. The final step is changing to a public limited company. Much more capital can be raised as shares can be sold to members of the public, but shareholders also have a greater influence over decision making. So that's the different forms of business organisation done. If you want to find out everything you need to know for business organisation in IGCSE Business, including corporation, limited liability, risk, and recommending a suitable form of business organisation, click on the link below, which will take you straight to the sample IGCSE course. And the best thing is, it's absolutely free. Remember, if it's your first time here, subscribe for the weekly videos to drive you to success in Cambridge Business, IGCSE and A-Level. Now, for that solo celebrating 2,000 subscribers. Thank you. If you want to check out how to get full marks in a paper 2 12-mark question, click over here. And if you want to find out how to score full marks in evaluation, click down here.